I realised that my previous video for mirroring, where I created a tyre, looked kind of weird, so I wanted to show you the mirror tool again in a slightly different context. Again, I'll be winging this video, but I have a feeling it's going to work a lot better. So I'm going to create a case. I'm not sure what would go in the case, but we shall see. I'm going to start by creating a sketch. I'm going to select that side plane there, and I'm going to create a rectangle, like so. I'm then going to fillet the edges of my rectangle, just to soften the edge of my case. So I'm going to say 5mm. I'm happy with 5mm radiuses. That works for me. I'm just selecting each corner, going 5mm. Lovely. Now I'm going to go E for extrude, and I'm going to pull out maybe 15mm, like so. And I am going to use the F for fillet tool just to soften this top edge, and I'm going to make it 5mm, similarly to the fillets that I had on the original sketch. Okay, now I want to excavate the inside of this solid block, so I'm going to go to my good friend the shell tool, selecting this face, and I want the thickness of my box to be, I don't know, maybe 1.5mm. Let's see what looks nice. That looks nice and thin. It's a nice thin tin, this. Okay. Now I've got 1/2 of my case here, and I'm going to use the mirror tool by going to create, mirror. Remember, if you're not sure what something does, hover over it, and I'm going to select the body, select the mirror plane. Well, I want it to be this center plane where I started the sketch. And on this occasion, I don't want to join the two. I want to create a new body. I'm happy with that, so I'll click OK. And now we have, if we just move this bit out of the way, now we have two identical halves to a case. And what I could do is now pop in maybe a hinge up the top here, and a clasp the other side, or I could use some sort of friction joint to join the two together. That's up to me in my design later on. But there you go, a very quick way of just showing how you can create a case using the mirror tool. Hopefully that's clearer than the previous video.